how to build a morning routine that sets you up for success. The time when your bed feels like a warm, cozy cloud and you think, I'll just rest for 5 more minutes, and suddenly it's noon. But what if I told you that the key to a successful day starts the moment your eyes open? And no, it's not checking your email or scrolling through Instagram. Though, let's be real, we've all been there. Let's talk about building a morning routine that will actually set you up for success.
Yeah, boy.
That's right. No more I'll just wing it and hope for the best approach. It's time to take control, baby. Step 1. Wake up early, but don't turn into a zombie. First off, let's get one thing straight. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. like some motivational speaker on YouTube who drinks a gallon of water before the sun even rises. But yes, there's a but. The earlier you wake up, the more time you have to conquer the day like a boss.
Yes.
Start with 6 a.m., or maybe even 7 if you're not a morning person. But please, do yourself a favor and don't hit the snooze button. That's like saying, hey, I want to be successful, but I also want to be in denial. Step 2. Hydrate like you're a plant in desperate need of water. Next, hydrate. I'm talking about water, not coffee. You know, the clear, life-giving liquid that your body craves after hours of sleep. Don't get me wrong, coffee's great. But water's the real MVP of the morning. If you don't hydrate, your body's like a phone that hasn't been plugged in all night. It's just dead. Step 3. Move your body, even if you feel like a potato. Now, don't freak out. I'm not saying you need to run a marathon at 6 a.m., but just a little movement can get that blood flowing. Whether it's a quick stretch, a walk around the block, or attempting yoga. Yes, even that awkward downward dog pose that looks like you're trying to impersonate a confused cow. Step 4. Set a goal for the day, even if it's just survive the day. Next, set a goal, but we're not talking about become a millionaire today. That's ambitious, but it's not realistic, all right? Try something like finish that presentation or go to the gym without regretting my life choices. Simple, achievable, and crucial for your success. Step 5. Get inspired without watching 7 hours of TikToks. Take a moment to get inspired. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or watch an uplifting YouTube video. Just don't let that turn into an entire rabbit hole of cat videos, motivational speeches, and memes about procrastination. Trust me, I know how that feels.
Don't do it.
Step 6. Eat a breakfast that doesn't resemble dessert. Finally, eat breakfast. And no, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is not a food group. Give your body some healthy fuel to start the day. You don't need to eat like a supermodel, but a nice balanced breakfast, think oats, eggs, or fruit, will give you the energy you need without making your stomach hate you by 10 a.m. Step 7. Don't overwhelm yourself. Keep it simple. Let's be honest, no one has time for a 2-hour morning routine. Keep it simple. It's about setting yourself up for success without overwhelming yourself. Focus on these key steps. Wake up early, hydrate, move your body, set goals, get inspired, and eat something that isn't cake. Congratulations, you're now officially on your way to a productive day. And guess what? It only took you 15 minutes, a small investment in yourself that will pay off big time. Remember, success doesn't come from a perfect morning routine. It comes from the consistency of showing up every day, even if it means doing it with a few awkward stretches along the way. So, get out there, conquer your morning, and don't forget to high-five yourself for not hitting snooze for the 5th time. You've got this.